today's look is going to be from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. I've been really wanting to do a fall look with this palette. It's got a lot of nice shades, perfect for fall. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. I'm first starting off by priming my eyelids with my NYX eyeshadow base in white. And then going into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to take a sponge applicator, and the first color I'm going to use is the color Alert. And I'm just going to put this all over my eyelids. And then just taking a black eyeliner pen, you can use any that you have. I'm just going to create a small wing on both of my eyelids above the lashes. Now taking my Stargazer UV liner in neon orange, we're just going to do the halfway line from inner corner of the eyelid to the center, and this is going to go above the black wing that we made. And now we're going to add a little pop of green glitter on the other side of the orange liner that we used. Now for the waterline and lower lash line, I'm taking this BSN Shimmer Green Retractable Eyeliner, and I'm just going to smudge this out on the waterline and lower lash line. And then going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm gonna take the like reddish shimmery color called Bomb Ass in the corner, and we're just going to create a little accent from the inner corner of the lower lash line to the center, just to give it a little extra orangey kind of color, mix it with the green. For mascara, I'm taking the Voluminous Superstar X Fiber mascara, and I'm just going to do steps 1 and 2 and coat my lashes. And yeah, that pretty much completes this fall pumpkin spice eye look. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!